And so this is the Geopogo desktop editor. Our editor allows you to create designs using our tools, or you can import your Revit models directly into here. And then, of course, export them into augmented reality, the Magic Leap 2s, and iPhones and iPads with the Geopogo AR app. So this is the desktop editor, and we're going to start with importing the model that we just exported from Revit. So we're going to hit import, going to click OK. Note we put a warning here, so try and keep your models under 200 megabytes. We're going to locate our project, hit import. Here it is. Pay attention in Revit to where your 0, coordinates are. So we kept everything true to where you modeled in Revit. So if the project is built far away from the 0, coordinates in Revit, the same thing will happen in Geopogo. So just keep note of that. Now, once in Geopogo, we can go ahead and we can do some nice little graphic updates. For example, we can click the transform tools like I did. We can click the project, and we can move the project into place. We can also rotate, and we can even scale the project if we wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that that's back to 180 degrees. There we go. What we can also do is we can apply materials to our project as well. Revit materials will import, but we also have Geopogo materials that can help with enhancing things. So I can place glass on the windows. That'll make sure that all Revit materials are transferred through. And I can even place Geopogo materials on the walls. And we can go inside. And I can do different stuff here. So we have stone. I can put stone countertops. I can pick different finishes. There we go. We're just going to go ahead here. Yeah, make that nice. And then we can even do nice little tiny details. Like, for example, we can put some metallic materials on our different objects. Stove, our dishwasher, our sink. There we go. And then, of course, our fridge. And I can dress this up. So this is really for architectural presentation. So if you're an architectural designer and you're about to take your client on site, you can go ahead and dress up your model and change it there. So that's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to raise this up just a little bit. And then just remember the 0 point. So there we go. Okay. And maybe the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a different floor color on here as well. I'm going to hit materials, wood. And let's put that. There we go. Okay, so I'm really satisfied with that. That's looking good. I'm happy. Let's go ahead and export. So I'm going to hit this export button here. And with my Magic Leap connected, I'm going to hit export to Magic Leap.